The power of the cross. Thursday of the 5th week of Lent. The cross of Christ restores obedience. Ask, am I obedient to the commands of Jesus? Seek to be open to God. Receive the Eucharist and ask God to enrich you with His body and blood, enabling you to be an obedient son or daughter, abiding in Christ. Knock. Meditate on 1 John chapter 2, verses 3 through 6. We can be sure that we know God only by keeping His commandments. Anyone who says, I know Him, and does not keep His commandments is a liar, refusing to admit the truth. But when anyone does obey what He has said, God's love comes to perfection in him. We can be sure that we are in God only when the one who claims to be living in Him is living the same kind of life as Christ lived. How well do we know Him? How much of our disobedience is due to our own ignorance of Christ? Are we disobedient children because we do not really believe that the Father loves us and wants what is best for us? Transform your life. Accept the transfusion of life that is the Eucharist, an exchange of our sin-tainted mortal flesh for the immortality of the God-man. Live the Eucharist, realizing that Christ remains in you. When you are tempted, call upon the presence of Christ to empower you to be obedient.